Hey friends, if the USB or external drive is showing the wrong size or incorrect capacity, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So first of all, you need to try to eject and reinsert the drive. Simply remove it and then reinsert it. I'll show you. Okay, I have this USB disk here. I will remove it and then I will reinsert it. And it will reappear and maybe that will fix the problem. Or you can simply restart your computer, it's the same thing. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. And then the next solution will be to try the disk on another drive. If it shows problems on another computer as well, then the problem is with the disk itself. It is not with your computer, and in that case you can format the disk and try again. So right click on the disk, select format, and then select the FAT32 option here, which is the default one. Select quick format and then click on start, click on OK. But yes, you will lose all data when you do this. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.